How to fix Telegram login problem. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on this video we will learn how we can fix if you're having login problem in Telegram where you cannot get the verification code. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch to the app info page of the application. For that, navigate to the application, tap and hold on it, and then tap on app info. Under app info, again scroll down a bit and there is an option as force stop just below the application name. So tap on force stop and then tap on OK. Once you do that, head towards storage and cache and here tap on clear cache. Once you do that, again go back and navigate under permissions and here make sure that you have allowed all of the necessary permission that is required by the Telegram. If the location or if the permission is not allowed, tap on it and then you can allow the permission. So make sure that you have allowed all the necessary permissions from here. Now you can go back, then restart your device and try to log in again and check if your problem is now solved or not. If that still does not help you, then make sure that the application is updated. Sometimes if the application is missing out any updates, the application may not function properly. So in that case, we have to update the application. So search for Play Store and in the Play Store, search for Telegram. And make sure the application is up to date. If there is any update available, make sure to install all of the updates. Once you do that, now you can open up the application and your problem will be solved. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.